What's up my friends, welcome to Anica Soleva Papercrafts. The grass block in Minecraft is one of the foundational blocks in the game. So today I'm going to teach you how to make one of your own using paper and just a few additional supplies. This is a relatively small model, so you are free to increase the dimensions and make a bigger block if you like. Overall, I hope you like this design and enjoy this tutorial. You can purchase pre-made printable templates of my Minecraft Papercrafts. Once you purchase a specific design, you can just print out the template, cut out the shape, and you're ready to follow my tutorial. This will help you save time and effort that you would otherwise spend drawing the template yourself. Of course, you will also be supporting my work and helping me get supplies for future videos. If you like to support my channel even further, you could make extra donations on my Buy Me a Coffee profile or here on my YouTube channel via membership or supers. Thank you very much.
Hey.